Hello everyone. Morning school assembly is a very important part of school because by this activity our students learn to develop their leadership skills and good communication skills. In this video I'm sharing sample anchoring script for you. You can add or change according to the situation you are in. So follow the sequence. Let's start. Introduction before prayer. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. With great respect and profound regards, respected Principal Ma'am, hardworking teachers, and my dear schoolmates, I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this beautiful morning. My name is your name, from class, your class, and I'm going to host today's morning assembly. Today is 1st of August 2022 and it is Monday. As we all are aware that we start every event and occasion with prayers. Prayer means the purification of one's soul. It takes away negative thoughts from our mind. Let us start our day by offering prayer to that Supreme Almighty. I request all of you to please stand straight, join your hands and close your eyes and start praying. Next, for pledge. A pledge is a way to show your love and respect for our nation. So I request name of the student, please come forward and lead us with the pledge. Thank you, name, to reading out the pledge. Next, for news. Updating ourselves with the current happening is a good habit. It helps us stay updated and increase our knowledge. For news, I would like to call name of the student from class, name. Please come forward and enlighten us with current happenings around us. Next, for thought for the day. It is always great to start the morning with great thought. Thought inspire and motivate our minds. I would like to invite name of the student to share with us the thought of the day. Next, for birthday wishes. Today the following students are celebrating their birthdays: Ananya from class 1, Riddhit from class 3 and Liana from class 7. May God bless them. Let us all wish them and sing a birthday song for them. Thank you everyone. Now I would like to call our respected Principal Ma'am to come up to the stage and say a few words to motivate us. Thank you, ma'am. After the speech, that was indeed motivating and inspiring. There is indeed no shortcut to success. We will surely remember your words. Thank you so much, ma'am. National Anthem. Now it is time for us to sing our national anthem. I would request everyone to please stand at attention. Thank you everyone. You may stand at ease. Formal ending. We have now reached the conclusion of our school's morning assembly for today. Thank you everyone. You may now move back to your respective classes. Have a good and productive day. Thank you. This is how you can start your morning assembly speech and end your speech. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.